Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ada here again. Oh, this lightning is something else, girl. I am glowing like like okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ada here again. So today, you guys, I am continuing my house, what's it called, like house search. What was that? Mm. Okay, you guys, I am continuing my house hunting. So I showed you guys the first apartment. So many people were just confused about it. Like, they were saying, "Oh, your apartment is nice." I was like, "No, it's not mine." I said it at the end of the video that it's for my friend. I came to check that apartment out to be sure to know if I like it or not. But I ended up not liking it. I like the inside, but then the outside is not what I want. So I did not like it. So I'm continuing my house hunting. So I'm going to the next house right now. Yeah, I will let you guys know when I get there, and I'll definitely show you guys. So that's why I'm starting this vlog video, whatever. So I'll definitely let you guys know when I get there. I'll definitely let you guys see what it looks like, and you guys will help me make this decision to see which one is better. And yeah, if you are new here, you're seeing this baby girl for life for the first time, honey, click that subscribe button, smash it, okay? Click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upload. Like, honey, come on, click. Okay, so I'll definitely be seeing you guys when I get there. I'll be driving. I might not be able to film anymore until I get there because I'll be using my GPS on my phone. I'll see ya all later.